Most SwiftUI tutorials teach one small feature as asked all different types of questions using the AI and how to create a class you can use where you have to select the right answer. So instead of stitching together, before we start building, I've added a free complete SwiftUI project. Let's build this reusable SwiftUI chip from scratch with selection, smooth styling and a component you can use anywhere. Instead of changing the state internally, the chip sends a tap back to its parent. I will just copy and paste a button from the clipboard. I'll just delete the preview. We're also telling accessibility tools when the chip is selected. The color change alone is not enough. The selected state uses a gradient and the idle state uses a material. Any shape style lets this property return either one. If we navigate back to our Go selector view, we can see how the selectable chip view that we just created is being called. As you can see, it's been called on the line 21.